Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a professional to private account in Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your account. Now open your menu. Here you can see account privacy. Press on this. So if you want to create a professional to private account in your Instagram, you just have to turn on the button. Press on switch to private. That's it. So this is how to create a professional account to private account in Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.